Tesla stock is crashing. Why? A lovely month to you out there as I welcome you again to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please encourage me by liking, commenting and sharing this video post. Subscribing to my channel will also mean a lot to me. If you want to get into the stock investment game, watch my video, The Beginner's Guide to Stock Investment 2020. And I've got a lot of information about Tesla as well, so you can watch plenty of videos about Tesla. If you have been following Tesla stock, you would observe this has probably been one of the best stock this year, especially among top car companies. As of today, there has been a 20% fall in Tesla stock. What the stock would end up today is not known. Certainly, many investors that recently added this stock to their portfolio would already be thinking to add more of it. The question now is, why is Tesla stock crashing? Is this a sign that holders of the stock should sell it? Today, I'll be sharing only my opinion. Please remember that everything I say here is my opinion and not law, so don't be tied to it. Also, all figures noted here are accurate for the 9th of September. Observation in the Tesla stock. From March 2020, we could see from Tesla stock that it has been performing greatly. Two things are observed in the Tesla stock. The first observation is what we have been so stressed about the stock. But sooner or later it will revolve back down to its moving averages. This is a healthy sign that the stock would move up. This is also an indication that there is a pullback around the corner. Does this imply that it would crash down to 200 per share? There is every likelihood, but pulling back to the mid 300 is possible. However, in the long term, this would make it a healthy stock. Secondly, I noticed that Tesla had been overbought, which makes it unsustainable. From the charts, it's pretty clear that it's time for some pullbacks or selling of Tesla stock. Regardless of how great the company's outlook looks in the next 5 to 10 years, or tweets from investors keep flowing, it seems it's time to begin some selling of the stock. Why you should hold your Tesla stock? With this being the recent concern from the investors, the stocks certainly differ in the form of waves. No stock jumps from the region of 0 to 1000. It's relevant to know that there are times it goes up, there are times it comes down. Every stock, including the best selling at the moment, experiences this. If you are purchasing Tesla stock for nearly 500 per share post-split, it should be overwhelming to purchase the stock for about 300 per share. If you are buying it for a long term, maybe 10-15 years, this seems to be a better opportunity to add more to your portfolio, and I am this type of investor. I am a long-term investor. Every long-term investor wants to buy when the stock is low, when people cast several doubts about the possible continual fall of a stock. This doesn't mean you should purchase the stock right now, and at the same time, you should not see it as the right time to sell since there is a crash. If your decisions to sell today is based on the fact that the stocks move low, you need to exercise more patience. Be patient and don't panic. You need more time to study the business to make your decision about buying and selling. Tesla made an announcement last week about this decision to sell up to $5 billion in stock amid its incredible rally. This is one of the biggest sell-offs that has been witnessed in Tesla for a very long time. Tesla also indicated that there would be sales of additional shares from the time to time and at the market prices. Tesla has decided to use its net proceeds, if there would be any, from this offering to strengthen its balance sheet further and the benefits of general corporate. Tesla last earnings, Tesla holds $8.6 billion, and with an additional $5 billion, which sums $13 billion in cash and cash equivalent. Tesla may be keeping this cash as a buffer in the balance sheet should hard times set in. This will help them to continue the smooth running of the business. With Tesla's current financial status, they seem to be very okay now compared to what they have experienced in the past, and it doesn't look like they will have any tough time. However, it would be good to sell some stock here to raise more cash. Tesla has over 400 billion in market cap. Despite the shortfall in stock price, things will certainly go back to normal, especially for long-term investors. And I'd like to hear about your opinion because I'm holding it and I'm planning to buy even a little bit more. But what about you? Let me know your opinion by commenting down below this video. Encourage me by liking and sharing this post with others. Also, subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this post. So, till next time, stay green and motivated.